A video doorbell tipped off a family to a burglary at their home on Easter. The story doesn't end there, however. A neighbor then got involved confronting the intruder. Eyewitness News reporter Matt Petrillo joins us now with what happened next. Matt?
Well, that neighbor says he has a few kids of his own who he has to yell at from time to time. So he yelled at that suspect, that woman, as if she was a daughter of his own. Meanwhile, the family who lives inside that home, well, they didn't want to be identified, but they talked to CBS 3 saying they're thankful they have that camera built inside that doorbell that captured the suspect. 32-year-old Laura DiClemente is the alleged bold burglar who seems to like being in front of the camera. First, she's captured on this home security system in this Gloucester Township neighborhood near Chews Landing Road just before 3:30 Easter Day. The family who lives at the home was an hour away at the time, visiting other family and celebrating the holiday.
It's terrifying. I mean, you know, you're far away, there's nothing you can do.
The mom of two says her motion sensor security system pinged her cell phone. Through a camera on her doorbell, she and her husband watched as a strange woman nervously stood at their door.
We're trying to figure out who this person is, and no one recognizes her.
As we're watching it, trying to figure out who this person was in front of our house, we watch her literally break in through our door and walk into our house.
The mom quickly calls Gloucester Township Police and then calls her neighbor. The neighbor walks inside, yells at DiClemente to leave, and then takes out his phone, snapping photos of DiClemente before she runs to her car.
I opened the door, I said, "Get out of the house." So I let her out of the house.
Police say bystanders should never confront someone they suspect is committing a crime, but officers also point out the neighbor did everything else right.
The Good Samaritan does a great job. He has a cell phone with him. In the day of technology the way it is right now, he's able to get pictures of her, he's able to get pictures of the vehicle, and he's able to give us a good description.
And Laura DiClemente's mom spoke to CBS 3 this afternoon saying her daughter has a drug problem. The family has been dealing with it for 15 years, trying to get her help. She thinks that she might have been looking for something valuable to sell for drugs. Tonight, DiClemente is locked up in the Camden County Jail. Live in Gloucester Township tonight, Matt Petrillo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.